Changing your username on Chime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select account information. In the settings menu, find and select the option labeled account information or similar. This section contains your personal account details. Step 4. Edit username. Within the account information section, locate the field for your username. Tap on it to edit and enter your desired new username. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes and update your username. Once you have completed these steps, your username on Chime will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime's customer support for assistance.